Loudoun County, northern Ottawa County, until 10 p.m. At 9:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Glasgow and moving south east at 30 miles per hour. You can expect 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Minor hail damage to vehicles, roofs and windows can be expected. Minor tree damage, with limbs up to 1 inch in diameter broken. Locations impacted include Minneapolis, Aurora, Miltonville, and Wells. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA weather.